Yes, sir. Bruce Lee fighter in my custody. Don't worry, sir. He don't escape. I know, sir. This prisoner is very sharp, but don't worry, sir. I am too sharp. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He can't escape. Oh no. Okay, sir. Don't worry, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
No.
Okay.